Thank you for your purchase of Funride Xblade DX scooter. This beautiful product comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base and musical head. This product is easy to assemble in some simple steps. You would also need a screwdriver and L key. To start with, take the main body and place bottle pipe to main body and lock it with the help of L key given in the product. In the next step, insert batteries to the musical head to activate lights and music. Place battery cap back on the head and lock it with a screw. Now is the time to place handle pipe to main body and tighten it with the help of flower nut and bolt. You can adjust and fix the handle with the handle lock button. Your beautiful Funride Xblade DX scooter is now ready to ride. Funride, a ride of happiness.